Basically, this makeup is really easy. 3D effect. Best red color I ever find. Scary. Hi guys and welcome to my channel. I'm Karina, new makeup artist, and I'm still in a studying process. And Halloween is coming. There are lots of people asking what we can do for Halloween. And look what I find! This girl here made absolutely stunning makeup on her lips, and that's what I'm gonna try to do today. So let's start straight away, and we're gonna start with the black shadows. Yes, maybe not the black shadows, maybe this time we're gonna use a why not use a face painting, black face painting. Okay, let's activate it. I have this Nazura water face painting, and we just activated it by the spraying a little bit on top. Wait a few minutes and then we can apply. Right, I need to move my hairs away. Basically, this makeup is really easy. All you need to do is draw first bits on your face, the black ones, and then just add some shades. The only you need to watch that's making a correct way for them. So I'm gonna look in the mirror, I'm gonna look in the picture, and you can see exactly what I'm doing. So and here we're gonna draw. As you can see, I already have makeup, so we're gonna just draw all over on top. Okay, easy as it is. Next step will be a bit harder. So now we're gonna take a wee cotton thing, how you call it? The wee cotton things? Micellar water, and all around it you just like taking all the makeup what we have around it and making a white shade, like it's a gap between that. So we're making a 3D effect. To be honest, I think there is quite a few ways to do that, but that's the way I think it should be done. And now we're making all these black things with the way you want them to be. So if you put a bit extra here, you just kind of removing it. Okay, that looks creepy enough already. For the next step, you're taking your most brighter concealer, and all these gaps where we leave with the micellar water, we just put in this bright concealer all around. Okay, it looks a bit messy just now, but that's okay. Next step, we're taking this nude palette from Beauty Bay and taking a brown shadows. We're gonna start from the beige ones and go into the darkest ones. And on the picture, the girl has just the brown colors. I want to make it a bit more creepy, and I'm gonna use the red colors as well, but just from different palette. So we're gonna start from this one here, and we go from okay, calm down. Okay, over here on the edge we're gonna put the brightest one and go to the darkest, the same way we're doing on the eyeshadows. Now we're going to the darker color and we're going close to the edge but a little bit far away, just like that. And on the places where is like a corners, we're gonna add a darker color. It's gonna be like here. Basically that's our shades are ready. That's just the shades, and on top of that we're gonna draw the pictures. So now taking this kind of fluffy brush and just mixing them together. Right, so now I'm gonna take from this palette the Lancy red color called Karina. That's the best red color I ever find just now. Even the Beauty Bay palette, the red one is not as red. So we're gonna take a little bit of that, and on the places where is the darkest spots, we're gonna add it on the top. And same again, mixing the colors next to each other.
Believe or not, we're nearly done.
Now, with the same brush I used to use it for a red color, I'm dipping it into the black color in here and just adding a little bit black on the top. For the last touch up, I'm gonna take white Snazura face painting. It's a bit gross, I need to clean it up. But anyway, just spray a little bit on the top. I'm gonna take a thin brush and do the touch-ups. And on top of these white lines, we're just gonna put a little bit more shade. Basically that's all. Actually some fake blood would look so good on it, but I don't have any fake blood and I'm not really sure how to make that. Actually we can try. Why not? We can try to make a fake blood. Basically, as much as I know, I've seen some life hacks. I've not tried that. You can use a little bit of red eyeshadows and setting spray to make it as a eyeliner, so we can try to make it as a fake blood just put on top of that. Well,
I think we should try.
in this empty palette I'm gonna scrub a little bit of hot stuff from a Beauty Bay palette and spray on top of it the setting sprays. That might ruin everything just now, so I don't know. Scary. Oh, that's all over my dress. I'm glad it's just a shadow, they're just gonna come off. Okay, how are we gonna do this? Well, I'm still not happy with that, so I'm gonna take a little bit of cotton, dip it in that thing we just got, and try to stack it on the face. It might helps. I need some glue. Okay, a wee warning, before you're gonna do that, make sure you have a good makeup remover because it doesn't come off. Okay, that's me first time doing something like this, so surely you can tell. Okay guys, I hope you like this makeup. It looks creepy enough. I think I need more skills, to be honest, because that's the first time I've been doing that, and I didn't plan to do something like this. I was thinking just to draw something, as I've told you, like, yeah, we're nearly finished. Nay bother, I can't stop. Put your likes, subscribe to my channel to see the way I'm growing, to see the way I'm studying as well. And I hope you have a nice Halloween, and I hope you do like this makeup and you will try it for yourself. Thank you for watching. See you later.